Well, I just just recently came into this vintage console that plays games that don't work anymore because it also doesn't work anymore. I've been trying to get into it, not the gaming, but the console itself. I don't have any small enough screwdrivers, so I just hit it with a hammer. I've been working on it a little bit. And there's some pieces missing. The lighting's just terrible, but I'm gonna try and get into it. I haven't been just wailing on it, right? I've been trying to strategically hit it with strategically hit it in places that I feel like would help to open it up. Let's see. These are a lot louder than I thought they were. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, it's coming apart a little bit. I was listening to music while I was doing this. And I got the great idea to record it because you never know what you might find in these. I always thought this was some sort of like amazing sensor something. I don't know. But no. It's another piece of plastic. Well, can't save it anymore because memory card pieces are all over the place. Or memory card slot pieces. Oh, here we go. Probably just to heard something break. I don't know what that could have been. Yeah. Okay, this should work. Nice. Alright, looks like it's working. It's not working. It gets louder. A lot louder every time you hit it. If I started wailing on the bottom. This didn't work in the first place. It didn't work in the first place. It's just... Yay. Maybe if I just... Sorry if this hurts your feelings. Not really, I don't care. I wonder if I need protection for this. Nice. It's not like I didn't try to get in it normally, but just don't have a small enough screwdriver or the time to look for one. More in part 2.